Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we will create an EC2 instance and host a website on it. Okay, then let's see how we can create a EC2 instance. First of all, go to the here and type EC2. Click on this. Now go to the instances. Click on the launch instance here. Give it a name, whatever you want. Okay, I will select the Ubuntu for the OS, and the instance type will be T2 macro. And I will create a new key pair for this. I will select the PAM and the name web server ppk. Okay, I will create, so it will download it right now and move downward and click here. So we will allow the HTTP traffic here for routing the traffic to the internet to the web server. And don't touch anything, just launch the instance. Click on this one, and here we will get our EC2 instance which is in the pending state. Let's wait, it will be up and running in a few seconds. Okay, now great, it is running now. Let's copy this IP. So here I am connecting with the putty. So if you haven't this putty, so you can download directly from here, download this one. So I can go to the putty and then paste this IP, go to the SSH, this one, click on the plus icon, then auth, again click on the plus icon, go to the credential, browse from here. We have already downloaded this ppk, so it is in the download folder. Okay, and accept. Okay, so the by default name of the instance is Ubuntu, so I will give it a name Ubuntu authenticating. Now it's connected now. Okay, so if I paste this IP here, so you can see there is nothing opening with this IP, right? So I will do a sudo su, and you need just few commands to host a website. First one is the apt update. Hit enter. So it will update the EC2 instance, all the dependency which are required. And I will install the Apache. So for the Apache, you can type apt install Apache 2 and hit enter. Press Y, hit enter, and it will going to install. So it is very simple. You can do it in the few minutes. So now if I refresh this page, so it's loading. Let's remove the S from here. So you can see the site is up and running. So I just want to change the content of this file. So go to the where, then www, then again ls, go to the html. Okay, so here is the index.html. So I will remove this file. Okay, I will create a new file, nano index not HTML. Hit enter. So I will type this is my web server. Okay, then press Control X, press Y, and hit enter. That's it. Let's refresh the page here. You can see it is showing that this is my web server which we have already hosted in the our server. Okay, so thanks for watching. In the next video we will see how to host a website with the help of the load balancer. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.